Sometimes plants show subtle signs before a bigger problem develops. One possible factor behind this condition is abiotic stress disorder. Some of the signs you might notice are when cotton bolls open, they can start to sprout due to moisture. This can cause problems with the cotton plants, such as increasing the amount of waste, pieces of the seed coat, and discoloration of the lint. It can also lead to a loss in the quality and color of the cotton and sometimes the loss of seeds. This issue may develop due to factors like ball sprouting is a problem that occurs at the time cotton plants are ready to be harvested. It happens due to environmental conditions such as excessive or prolonged rain and high moisture in the air. This problem is more severe in fields where most or all the cotton bolls are opened, as opposed to fields where some bolls are still unopened. Additionally, warm temperatures around the time of harvest can contribute to the damage caused by ball sprouting. It can occur until sunny and dry weather arrives. You can start with gentle or natural methods such as there are no biological control methods to stop boll sprouting. If needed, stronger treatments may include chemical control is not directly relevant to this problem. If warm and dry conditions prevail, waiting a couple of days before harvesting for germinated seed to dry out is the best solution. If these conditions are not expected, growers could apply a desiccant shortly before harvest to accelerate the drying process. However, results could be inconsistent. This method should be taken with caution, having in mind the environmental cost and the label restrictions regarding pre-harvest interval. It is advisable to communicate your issue to your local expert and evaluate the loss. Loss of yield is frequently not so high if evaluated correctly. To help reduce the chances of recurrence, monitor upcoming weather conditions close to harvesting time. Delay the removal of leaves, if needed, when excessive rain is expected. If seeds do germinate, wait until these germinated seed are completely dry before harvesting these fields. In general, seeds in opened bolls start germinating. Abnormal expansion of fibers as the boll opens. Black and yellow spots on lint. Follow for more helpful plant care insights.